Let's look at the top 4 money goals you need to achieve before you retire. Number 4, have enough saved to cover 6 months of expenses. It's no secret that retirement can be expensive. Many retirees find themselves facing unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or home repairs. As a result, it's important to have a sizable nest egg saved up before you retire. One goal that you should aim for is to have enough money saved to cover 6 months of expenses. This will give you a cushion in case you face any unexpected costs during retirement. It will also give you the peace of mind knowing that if something bad happens, you don't have to worry about money. So if you're looking to retire comfortably, be sure to save enough to cover 6 months of expenses. Number 3, pay off your home. For many people, their home is their biggest asset. Not only does it provide a place to live, but it can also appreciate in value over time. However, homes can also be a huge financial burden, especially if they are not paid off by the time you retire. Not only will you have to continue making mortgage payments, but you will also be responsible for property taxes, insurance, and repairs. As a result, one of the smartest things you can do before you retire is to pay off your home. Then you will own your home outright and will have one less monthly bill to worry about. Plus, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that your biggest asset is fully paid for. If you're having trouble paying off your home before you retire, consider downsizing to a smaller home or moving to a more affordable location so that you can pay off your mortgage sooner. Number 2, your investments should provide 80% of your pre-retirement income. One important goal to aim for is to have your investments providing 80% of your pre-retirement income. This may seem like a daunting task, but it is achievable with careful planning and discipline. A general rule of thumb is to have enough saved for retirement to provide income equal to about 80% of your pre-retirement income times the number of years you expect to be retired. For many people, this will be a long time, as retirees often live into their 90s. However, by starting early and taking advantage of compound interest, you can reach this goal and enjoy a comfortable retirement. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, pay off credit cards. As anyone who has ever dealt with credit card debt knows, it can be a financial nightmare. Not only do you have to pay interest on the balance, but the debt can also have a negative impact on your credit score. This is why one of the best things you can do before you retire is to get your credit cards paid off. While it may take some time and discipline, paying off your credit cards will save you money in the long run. It will also help relieve some stress that you're not burdened with debt as you enter retirement. So if you're looking to retire with sound financial footing, make sure that paying off your credit cards is high on your list of priorities. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.